Samsung's next flagship phone might end up being more interesting than anyone expected, and surprisingly, it may not even be the Ultra model. New leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S27 series are starting to paint a very different picture of what Samsung could be planning next year. And honestly, if these reports turn out to be true, the Galaxy S27 Pro could become one of Samsung's most exciting phones in years. For a while now, Samsung's flagship lineup has felt pretty predictable. You get the standard model, the Plus version, and then the Ultra comes in with all the best features. Bigger zoom, bigger battery, S Pen support, better cameras. It's usually the easy choice for power users. But now, things may be changing. According to recent reports, Samsung could finally introduce a new Pro model with the Galaxy S27 lineup, replacing the Plus branding that we've seen for years. And instead of simply acting like a middle option between the regular phone and the Ultra, the Galaxy S27 Pro might actually have its own unique identity. The biggest talking point right now is the camera system. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S27 Pro may come with a brand new 50-megapixel ALoP telephoto camera. ALoP stands for All Lenses on Prism, and Samsung has already talked publicly about this technology before. The idea behind it is pretty interesting because it rearranges the internal zoom lens structure to make the camera module more compact, while also allowing more light to enter the sensor. And that could be a very big deal. One of the biggest problems with smartphone zoom cameras is low light performance. Once lighting conditions get bad, zoom shots usually start looking soft, noisy, or blurry. But Samsung's new ALoP design is supposedly meant to improve brightness and overall image quality in difficult lighting situations. What's really surprising is that reports claim the Galaxy S27 Pro could actually deliver a better overall telephoto camera experience than the Galaxy S27 Ultra in certain situations. That sounds strange at first because the Ultra is still expected to offer stronger 5x optical zoom, while the Pro model may stick to 3.5x zoom. But camera quality is not always just about zoom distance. Sometimes brighter images, cleaner detail, and better low-light performance matter more in daily use. So Samsung may be trying something different here. Instead of making the Ultra automatically superior in every single way, the company could be designing the Pro model for people who want flagship camera quality without needing the absolute biggest and most expensive phone. And honestly, that could make a lot of sense. The leaks also say the Galaxy S27 Pro may share the same massive 200-megapixel main camera as the Ultra model, along with a similar ultra-wide sensor. That means the overall camera experience might end up being very close between both devices. At the same time, the S27 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.47-inch OLED display, which can make it slightly easier to hold and use compared to the Ultra. It's also expected to deliver flagship-level performance across the board. The main thing it may miss out on is the S Pen. And for a lot of people, that honestly may not matter much. There are plenty of users who love Samsung phones for the cameras, display quality, battery life, and overall premium experience, but never actually use the stylus. So if Samsung can offer nearly ultra-level performance in a more balanced package, the S27 Pro could become the sweet spot in the lineup. Of course, all of this is still based on leaks and early reports, so nothing is officially confirmed yet. Samsung hasn't announced the Galaxy S27 series, and things can still change before launch. But if these rumors are accurate, Samsung may finally be rethinking how its flagship lineup works. And instead of the Ultra completely dominating the conversation again, the Galaxy S27 Pro might end up being the phone that gets the most attention. And honestly, it already sounds like Samsung's most interesting flagship in a very long time.